Dogan, and I am here to show you how I achieve this look using these satin pillow rollers or satin pillow rods. And also everything I use in this video, I will be linking in the description. I purchased these items from my local beauty supply, but I made sure that I found these items off of Amazon to make it convenient for you, because not all beauty supply stores have these items. So I want to make sure that if your beauty supply store does not have these items, at least you will be able to purchase them through Amazon. So the link will be in the description for your convenience. Also, when I use these satin pillow rods, these are so comfortable. So I use these, and after I get finished rolling my hair up like a regular roller set, I am going to show you this in this tutorial video. And also I use a satin bonnet once I get finished doing my roller set, so it will stay in place. And you know, satin is very great for our hair anyway. All right, so let's get started. curls do last for a while. I have had them last for about 1 to 2 weeks. They do drop, and as they drop, they look even more beautiful. At night, I bring all my hair to the front, and I put the bonnet on from the back to the front, and that way all the curls are kind of gathered towards the front, and you're not sleeping on your curls too much anyway. It depends on how you sleep. So I sleep on my stomach. So, but for those who may sleep on their back, maybe something different. But just basically you bring it all the way to the front and you have a bonnet. I do recommend a tight bonnet, not a loose one, but a tight bonnet whenever you are wearing it without the roller set. Also, when you put the roller sets in, I do still recommend that you wear a tight bonnet. Now, if your locks are longer, you may need a bigger bonnet. When my hair was shorter, I brought about 4 packs of the satin rollers, but I don't think I used all 4 packs. Now that my hair is longer, I purchased additional 4 more packs of the satin rollers. So that was equivalent to 8 packs of rollers. Just in case, like sometimes I may want it more defined, small curls or whatnot. If you want bigger curls, so bigger the sections when you're rolling, the bigger the curls will be. The smaller curls do last longer, but if you want, like, you just want your hair just curled, just so it look like something, then you can put it in bigger sections. Same concept, spray it with water and roll it with the satin rollers, and put on a bonnet. May last, a week or so, but the tighter the curls, the longer the curls last as they get older and start loosening up. If I'm going to take the time to put rollers in, I'm going to, do smaller sections so it lasts for a while. Because the purpose of me getting locks was for the benefit of not having to do my hair, right? Right? Still wear a bonnet every night anyway for my locks. Satin cloth is good for your hair. So I wear a bonnet every night regardless if I put curls in or not. And I love my locks. I have not had the issue with having like lint or anything like that get in my hair. I've seen some other people on YouTube that's had that issue. I have not had that issue with getting lint or lint balls or anything like that in my hair. And it may be equivalent to the fact that I am wearing a satin bonnet or a bonnet period at night. So I'm not sure. I'm just saying that's what I do. And it's working for me. And I've had them for over 3 years now. Late March of this year was 3 years for me. So yeah. Any other tips that I would say? I think that's it. Okay, so this is day 3, and I just wanted to come on to show you how I have the bonnet on so that all my curls are in the front. So when I'm sleeping, all the curls are up front, and you can see in the back that basically all my hair is pulled up. I guess I can do it like this. It's just flip it all the way to the front like that. Take my bonnet and then tuck my hair in like this, my curls. Make sure all of it's in there. Did not take long at all. And I have all my curls towards the front. Lock it back so that my curls will last long. And like I said, I use a tight bonnet so that my curls will stay longer. I have used a looser bonnet before and the curls didn't last that long. So that's why I say use a tight bonnet. so that the curls last longer. And this is day 3, and show you what the curls look like so you can get a real good view. They still look curly. So, yeah. So this is the front, the side, and the back. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask down in the comments. If I know, I will, let you know. If I don't know, I will let you know I don't know that as well. But what I do know, I will share. So, but I've loved my locks. Also, for those who may want to know where I got my locks done, I did a whole video on who did my locks in my lock anniversary video. So if you want to know that and additional information that I shared there, you can check out that video. I will link that in the description as well for your convenience. But note that anything that I shared on this video today is in the description, besides the water, of course, because that was water that I sprayed them. So the water is not included. But I'm being silly, y'all. But anyway, all the products that I used today, besides the water, is included in the link for your convenience, just in case your beauty supply store does not have these items. So you can purchase them through Amazon. Like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know. Appreciate you watching my video. Bye!